Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here planning for the week of May 11th through the 17th. And this is actually going to be my first week at my new job, so I wanted to use something that kind of went with that. So I have this Happy Planner sticker book. I think it's called Goal Digger. Not really sure, but it's all about like hustling, getting things done, stuff like that. So I thought it would be perfect for this week. And then to supplement it, because I don't know if I'm going to have enough of all the pieces I want, I pulled out, let's see, I have this Happy Planner book, which I think I'll use quite a bit. I have the Rainbow Value Pack, and I have the seasonal book. Then I also have an Agenda 52 sticker book, and then 2 American Crafts books. So I have like a lot of stuff I can pull from if I need it. I also pulled all of these washi tapes. They're all from Michaels, which will help with the bottom washi. These 2 skinny ones are from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use one of those along the top, and then I think I'm going to white out the rest of the lines. And then a bunch of these skinny washies from Amazon. So I have a ton of stuff to help me out. I think my pre-planning is going to be pretty sparse this week, because I don't really know what my week is going to end up looking like. And especially since I'm not going to use headers everywhere, it's going to be more difficult to know where stuff is going to end up. So I think it's going to be pretty sparse, but I'll show you the end just like always. So to get started, I am going to do, let's see, these are the 2 colors I have, and they both go, and I have like the same amount of almost nothing left. So I think I'm going to use the turquoise one. I don't know why. So I'm going to use this turquoise one. And then along the bottom, I'm trying to pick which washi. Maybe I'll use this one. And then to go with it, like how much does this really realistically take up? So if I lay this down here, I have that much space left. I could use like this one. Maybe those 2 together. That's like a little bit extra, but I kind of love it. So maybe I'll do that. The only other option would be to use this like take note, hello, today, etc. washi, which I also really love, but I don't think I have like a good width of washi to go above it. So I think I'm going to use these 2. So I'm going to put all this stuff down. I'm not going to white out these lines yet because they actually like go with the colors. So I might leave some of them in. So I'm going to just put all of these down using my ruler from AliExpress. This side's the ruler side. Slice tool. While I'm at it, I'll pull out my new iHel pen and my Beauty 360 tweezers because I'll probably need those too. So I'm going to do all of those things and then I will be right back. Okay, so that is like the base. While I was working, I just pulled out this Hustle Hard Girl sticker, which I plan to use up here, like in the quote box area. Because then I could like match up down here. I don't think I have that much stuff that needs to go in the sidebar. So I just needed to know how to make sure it like lined up pretty close. So just gonna put that down, and then I guess we'll just get started on the sidebar. So underneath that, I'm gonna use, I think I'm actually gonna use like some skinnier washi, just cause it's like really cute. Maybe I'll use like the polka dots. Also, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I can see the lines through here, but I just don't care. So I'm just gonna leave it and it doesn't bother me. gonna leave a tiny gap. Freehand cut this because, as we all know, I'm too lazy to get the ruler out. And then I think I have some habit trackers in here. Yeah, I have a couple in here. I have this green one and I have this purple one. I think I'm gonna use the purple one because I kind of want to bring in some more of that color because I just really like it. I didn't have like a lot of stuff that could go with that color per se. This really should be down like a little bit further to keep all the spacing even. There, that's pretty good. That's gonna track my reading. I think that's the most important thing to track for this week. I'm gonna stick down another piece of washi. You can see like a couple of dots here around the habit tracker, but once everything is in, it's like not even noticeable, so I'm just gonna not worry about it. And then let me see. I feel like I need, so I could put like a top 3. That would totally fit. I might use that. Let me see. The other thing that would fit is one of these kinds of checklists. I don't know that I love any of the colors. Closest one is like this one. Or let's check in here. Did not like really plan out my sidebar. Probably not a great plan, but these are all too big for how much space is left, and I'm fine with that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put one of these, like, very important is this. Maybe I'll do this green, yellow to green transition one. I feel like that's a very like specific colorway. There we go. And then I'm just gonna stick one more piece of this washi down here, and I think it'll like fill it in well enough. It's not gonna look weird. Yeah, that seems totally fine. So I'm not sure exactly what my top 3 is gonna look like this week, but I'll figure it out when I get there. Okay, so sidebar is done. Just need to fill it in. It's getting like really hard to write on because of how fat it's getting. Okay, so I want to start out Monday with I'm going to use one of these, which is from one of this Happy Planner book. I don't know what any of them are called. I think I want to use this green. Or should I use the coral? Maybe I'll use the coral because that seems very like May. So I'm just going to put down today, and I'm just going to center it like that. And that's just going to be for marking my first day of work. And then after that, these are from Cavern Studio. Her shop is closed. She's becoming Designing Dog, I think it's called. She's going to be a printable shop with all of her old stuff. So I'm very excited about that. Not sure how I'll do it since I don't have a silhouette, but I'm going to figure it out because I like her stickers a lot. Alright, so I'm just going to put on every work day my work stickers, just like I used to do a few months ago. I'm going to be back at that. that's going to mark work for every day. Also on Monday, underneath that, I want to put in one of the appointment stickers. I'm just trying to decide which style I want to do. So I can either use this one that says like meeting, or I could use one of these like appointment. I think I'm going to use this meeting one. It doesn't matter which one I take. I'm not going to mark all my work meetings, but I have like onboarding first thing. I would like to mark that. Ooh, that's just like a little too high. I'm going to just turn this sideways. Why is this so hard? So the pink line shows through a little bit, but it doesn't really bother me. Hopefully I didn't just bump that. All right, so that's my onboarding. And then the last thing that needs to happen on Monday, I need to film edit, upload my plan with me. So I'm going to use one of these fiber paper company. I think I'll use this gray one. I'm just going to stick it down at the bottom, even though I doubt it's going to be the last thing I do for the day, but we'll see how it goes. And that's just going to mark that. The entire rest of the week, I have no idea what it's going to look like right now. And the weekend, we have nothing planned. So this is all of my pre-planning right now. I know there's a lot open, but I'm going to fill stuff in with my iHow pen, and then I will be right back. All right, that is everything I have right now. I should add a little dot to the top of the eye over here. All right, so that's everything. And stick around for just a second and you can see the finished week. All right, here is the finished spread. We can give it a little viv wiggle and twerk because there's lots of foil this week. I love how it turned out. It's so beautiful. This was a roller coaster of a week. Exciting to start a new job. Got through it. And then we had an emergency vet visit on Sunday night. Did not get home till 2 a.m. So it's been a roller coaster. In terms of the stickers, I'm not going to tell you which Happy Planner sticker book things are from because I will never remember. But the bottom washi is from Michaels, and all these skinny washies are from Amazon. This is also a Michaels washi. Let's see. These are Creative Cavern Studio. This is, I think, a Planner One Love leftover that I trimmed down. Piper Paper Company. I drew lots of little hearts this week. I don't know why. I just filled in the space, I felt like. This is another Creative Cavern Studio. This is from the Agenda 52 book from Hobby Lobby. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So not very interesting to tell you guys about, but I did use all three of the Happy Planner books that I thought I might use, so there was definitely some variety. I loved how it turned out. It was nice to be able to pull in these kind of spring colors, which was really enjoyable for this week. We had some nice weather in here, even though it rained a lot, but it was warm, so that was awesome. Yeah, as always, please like and subscribe below. I would really appreciate it. Let me know what kits you think I should be trying out or shops I should be trying out. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in-progress spreads, finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all of that kind of stuff. And until next time, bye!